Hi guys, welcome back to the next video. Guys, today is Sunday. Happy Sunday to you guys. Welcome all my old subscriber, all my new subscriber, and all who not subscribe. I don't know when I wait pan, but subscribe now and come a part of my family. So guys, today I'm supposed to be in church because I love to go to church. I'm a Christian, and for some reason I don't find a church yet. We recently moved from North Carolina and we're in Colorado now. My husband is in the military. So we just PCS to Colorado, so I don't find any church yet. So guys, so I'm gonna prepare my Sunday dinner. I'm a vegan now. I'm a vegan, but my husband and my daughter, them eat regular same way. Them eat them Jamaican food same way. So I'm gonna show you what I prepare for them and what I prepare for me. Okay guys? Yeah, so yeah, come along. Let me show you my Sunday dinner, okay? And guys, here I have my filter. We ordered it from Amazon, and the reason for the filter, the water here is very not good. Just gonna say that, not good. So we invest in a filter. So whenever we're washing our food, the cooking, we turn on the filter, and whenever time we are not using it, we just turn it off. Like we're washing up dishes, we just turn it off. Okay guys, so we're not gonna want to stray away from the cooking video. We just want to show you and tell you now why we have the filter on the pipe. Okay guys, so yeah. So in my rice and peas, I'm using 6 cloves of garlic and 4 grain of pimento seed. Just 4. Good now, I just make the peas soak in the garlic and the pimento for about half an hour, and then I just start cook it. So what I'm gonna prepare as meat, I'm gonna look for some jerk chicken. So last night my husband cut up the meat and just put some all-purpose seasoning. So I'm gonna put on it now. I'm gonna put some all-purpose seasoning on it. I put black pepper. I put a little paprika, a little dry basil, and salt, and some browning, and my jerk seasoning. Okay, and here I have my bell peppers, scallion and thyme, garlic and pimento. I'm going to blend up all of this. So then you're a soak in some vinegar water. Okay? So let's season up the meat. Say I've guests come over. Husband have guests come over soon. Want to make sure, you know, season up and taste good. kind of store in here.
Girl, yeah, yeah, go on.
Yeah. Missing enough of them recently. I fruit fly them? I fruit fly them? Yeah, because enough for them, man. And if you just left them, then just run around. No breed up, because I love breed. Everything just love breed. Recently, yeah.
No, not recently.
Yeah? Oh my God, that's
Yeah,
good. But be disappointed in her. But that's when she lose the race, me never disappointed in her. But when we see yeah. And last night they hot, man.
Every morning before I go for a run, whatever, I like to blend that with banana, my spinach.
Oh,
And it gives me like a
yeah.
good boost, yeah. A quick smoothie. Because, I mean, whenever I run, I like to run in the sun because I'm training. To build my endurance and it helps me. I eat it helps me. Yeah. Drink a lot of coconut water, man. I make sure, like, before PT, eat like a fruit or something.
Yeah.
Like a banana or an apple or something. You know what I mean? And you'll be fine.
I be going to PT, but I can't do that.
It depends. If I'm going for like a good workout, which most of the time, if I'm leaving PT, I'm gonna eat something. I get some carbs. Get like some carbs or something. But hold on. Depending on the workout you're gonna do, your body, it takes a lot more to move from 0 to 1 than from 1 to 2.
True.
So if you're completely depleted and dehydrated, your body works harder to build you up from dehydration to 1 than from 1. Pumpkin seeds, good.
Okay, you know you can eat them since like
Yeah, they're good.
like 9 probably the late time.
Because this one, when I go to bed early, I get up early. And I'm ready. I'm
Yeah.
ready. When you go to bed late, in order for you to feel recharged, you're gonna have to sleep in. And when you sleep into 9 or 10, bro, that's 4 hours you lose. Bro, that's so much. So I go to bed at 8, 9, maybe 10. I'm up by 6. I'm good.
And then that's up your sleep schedule. There's no way you can turn around and go back to the time. You gotta wait until that same time.
You know what I mean?
Like that,
And
yeah.
sometimes what I do is, I went to bed late last night. This morning, I woke up naturally at 6 something. I like to force myself to, I know it sounds weird, I like to push myself to exhaustion, or to that extreme fatigue, in order to sleep better in the morning.
Me too.
Yeah, I push
I
myself.
think about that when I just when you sleep. I'm gonna sleep at one time.
Yeah, you know what I mean?
Which part I like, Riley? Riley, which part of the chicken? Breast,
Breast.
leg.
No, leg. Leg. I like leg.
Thank you.
Say eating them from the Finocchio.
Yeah, I'm probably not gonna eat it all because my mouth is sore. Because it's sore. Like after a while, I reach a limit, like my mouth gets too sore. I'm like,
It takes a while to get used to that.
she
4
said,
days,
she said it's
not
gonna
even a week.
no, and I have to do it all over again. The bottom line. It's only been like 4 days, so I'm like, I gotta like be real. After a while, if it's too much, I'm like, I gotta.
Okay, put the avocado and white pepper dish.
I have to like massage my gums. Like, yeah. Maybe it's good.
Look, I want that thing.
No, it's one now.
Oh. So how's the swimming going? How's the swimming going?
Oh, it was good. I'm gonna do it again next weekend. I'm learning, so.
Yeah.
But it was fun. I actually did good. Proud of myself.
Oh, deep is good.
It wasn't for like 5.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, I was like,
Yeah.
I'm good.
Honestly, man, my first thought was, I want to swim in the pool. It's like, me and Kezzy, you know, yeah, I mean, it's fun having like a pool.
Yeah.
I can imagine how much.
It was windy yesterday, so it was kind of cold, but like,
Yeah.
but it was good. It was like kind of perfect too. Yeah. But yeah, like now, I feel-
I realized that when I'm not my breakfast. Trash? Yes, yes.
still so tempted to see Manfred. The chicken is nice, you know.
I can't imagine. You don't look on a fish.
No.
Oh, Rastafari, I think it
I'll
is
turn
fish.
it up this. No, turn it up.
Yes, yes. That was great.
Monkey, take up a dish them now. And put the avocado them in there.
Huh?
Take up a dish them, put the avocado.
I mean, because it, I don't know.
Kezi, Riley, you know.
Oh, I test it on the shrimp. You don't know if I forget the biggest one. Come down the biggest one. That's right, right?
Yeah.
Let me just-
Some new cabbage, you know. Cabbage recipe. Make this video. Oh.
I'll see you on there.
Yeah.
Yes, guys. Yes, sir. Yeah, I hear. Yeah? Ooh, my God. I messed that up. Oh, you want her? Something you do. I'm just gonna mess up this now. Man, I don't know why I messed this. So I'm gonna give you just a little bit. Do you have anything that guys? No?
No,
What's your favorite? You're out of mango or guava?
mango.
Mango?